Oh, wow. I was scared to come in, and I feel like I'm talking to my old self, and I just want everyone who maybe are thinking about doing this, just take the plunge. It's so worth it. It's life-changing. Life-changing.
I'm excited to have new teeth. It's been a long journey for me. Couldn't believe when I saw these finally how great they looked. And it just changed my life, really. I've had a lot of comments, and there have been a lot of compliments as well. And people have really liked. They said, boy, your smile looks beautiful. Before, you'd always think in your mind, because you always want to look nice, whether it's a haircut or your clothes or whatever. Have I gained weight? You see somebody or, a golfing buddy that you haven't seen since last summer when you played golf. And, sometimes they don't hold back. So anyway, I didn't have to fear that, and I was proud,
I don't know who all's going to see this, but if anyone out there is questioning whether or not this is worth it, and if it's going to change their outlook on themselves and their life, 100% it will. It's weird. It's hard to describe it, but it is. I'm definitely in love with them for sure. I'm very, very happy with my smile and my bite so far. I don't care how headstrong you are, stubborn you are. It will change your outlook on your own life and like how you look, and it will help. It will 100% help. So if anyone's out there wondering whether or not it's worth it, yes, it is 100% worth it.
Glad to finally have my teeth, and it's been great. What the best thing is self-confidence. Not afraid to go out in public and speak and meet people. It's been a whole new thing. It's really been fun. I go in for my procedure early in the morning. By noon, I'm home, recovering. They put in some teeth, and I've had teeth ever since. So it's right away the very next day. I probably spent an abnormal amount of time looking at myself. I've done all the research, and I can tell you as an expert now that this is a place you should come. REVA Dental's the best. They don't settle, and they don't let you settle. It's perfection all the way.